Showing off, don't wanna have to wait tonight. Wait tonight. Better off, I'm gonna find my way tonight.
Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to make boudoir pictures in a very confined space. So we are here in this little room. I've got a camera placed up there in the corner. Right now I'm just going to do something about the windows. As you can see over here, that's a nice window, and I could pull the curtains down. But instead of doing these curtains, maybe some people have black curtains, blue curtains, something with flowers on, something with checkered or whatever. Instead of using those, I'm going to put up a shower curtain, in fact, that you can buy cheap for about, well, £2 or £1.5, something like that, on a couple of stands and in front of the window to diffuse the light. We're going to shoot almost exclusively with natural light today. Sådan. Okay. So we are ready to start photographing now. As you can see, there's some nice light coming in through the window, and I'm going to fix that curtain just in 2 seconds. And this is our beautiful model for today, Lisette, and she's going to do some poses, and we'll do some nice pictures. So let's get to it. Der er varmt herovre nu. Kan du holde om? Ja. We're going to do this partially in Danish, so yeah, just going to start up. This is just the test shots now, so there's a lot of light in here. Now, as you can see in this picture, there might be a little too little light in her head, so in her face, in your face.
In your face?
In your face. So I'm putting up this reflector to see if we can bounce a little light back. And maybe we could try to turn it to get a nice golden color. Which reminds me that my white balance is probably fucked up on this. No, it's not. Nice. Now we can basically work around the scene and let Lisette be where she is. Du har dit hår, du skal lige tage væk. Så her, a loose hair.
Yeah.
Chest hair, no. And we can just
I wanna heal your sorrows. We'll make a new tomorrow. One night to find the answer. What makes this heart beat faster?
basically getting, it's more like a portrait, this one. A lot of empty space in front of Lisette's nose. Now if I did it this way, this would be very awkward. Like this. It would look like she is crammed up in a jail. Almost totally overexposing this on purpose. And notice that Lisette is not looking at the camera. Except when I tell her to. But I almost never do. Because this is supposed to be me sneaking in on her. That sounded creepy. It's not meant to be creepy, but yeah, and this stupid light stand is just totally irritating, but there's nothing you can do about it. Except, now it's better. Now I'm going to change to, just stay there. Stay.
Yeah, stay.
Yeah. I have a dog, you know. He doesn't do that. If I tell him to stay, he walks. He wants to be close to me. We need to close the doors, otherwise he'd be up here. So we are on the this old E-series lens now. I'm going to stop it down to what I believe is f2. I don't know. For real, because you can't see it. And this probably won't be the best pictures you've seen. I'm on manual focus. Did you move? Did you just move? Damn it, I just nailed the focus. Now I need to do it again.
Showing off, don't wanna have to wait tonight. Wait tonight. Better off, I'm gonna find my way tonight. Wait tonight.
What we're waiting for now is that this sofa's got some texture, and this texture is in the set of skin now, so we're waiting for this to settle. That's, you never know. Maybe we could have used the sheet, but I decided not to do that today, to do this couch-like stuff, and now it's coming back at me.
It's biting you in the ass.
Yeah, it is. But yeah, I think it's okay now. I can do the rest with some skin smoothing. I'm going to do that anyway because Lisette is so old, so no. So, I need my autofocus back.
Same posture.
Yeah. But very fast this time, because that's why I put this on. Now I know what I'm doing. Yeah. We need to do something with your head. Can you take it off, please? No. No, it's because I'm shooting up your nose. It's a nice pose, but I'm shooting up your nose, and I don't want to do that. So turn your head and look towards the, yeah, like that, yes. So I hope you enjoyed this video, got something out of it. Please comment if you like below. There might be some links in the description to some of this gear we've been using today. And we thank you to Lisette. She's tired, she's sitting there. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week. Thank you.
What makes this heart beat faster?